Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to speed up your Windows computer in just a few simple steps. First, let's start with disk cleanup. Go to your My Computer or this PC and right-click on your main drive. Select Properties and then click on Disk Cleanup. This will help you get rid of unnecessary files and free up some space. Next, let's delete temporary files. Open the Run dialog by pressing the Windows key +R, then type %temp% and hit Enter. Select all the files and delete them. Now, let's manage startup processes using msconfig. Open the Run dialog again and type msconfig. Go to the Startup tab and uncheck any unnecessary programs. Lastly, let's disable unnecessary processes. Press Ctrl + Shift + Escape to open the Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and right-click on any processes you don't need, then select End Task. And that's it. Follow these steps to speed up your Windows computer. Happy computing!